Tuesday, January 27, 2015. It is currently 12:49 p.m. as you see on the clock. I'm not going to talk about details on this screen, but as you can see for yourself what's going on. However, what interests me more is the comment that says on the weather station there, blizzard 0 to 12 windy. This is 270 EHA 19, and I'm about to show you the blizzard of Tuesday, January 27, 2015. So this is the surprise that the blizzard has arrived upon us, and I'm going to show you that in a sec. This object you see over here is my trusty yardstick, and we're going to be using this for the snow that's outside and see how many inches the blizzard brought to my balcony. As you can see outside right now, it is snowing tremendously. Look at the parking lot. Look at the plow, by the way. Perfect timing. So you can see the vehicles down in the parking lot over there, and you can see how high the snow is. It's covering some of the vehicles, and of course a couple of vehicles that I know from a couple of co-workers. It's in the screen there. So look at my balcony. I gotta shovel all this. Look at this massive pile of snow. This is worse than a video that I shot 2 years ago. And as you can see, the fence and the height of it, the snow is going just a few inches higher than that. So probably at the peak of it, I'm going to stick in the yardstick and let's see how many inches that's going to be. So this is the door into my living room right now, and that's how the snow looks. And this is my neighbor's side of the balcony, and this is how hers looks. Not as much as mine, but there is plenty of snow to shovel. So I'm going to summarize this video, and I'm not going to put too many details, but I just want to show the part on how many inches the height of the snow is on my balcony. So I'll be back. Okay, so just to give you an idea of the amount of snow that's on my balcony right now, on my home here in Lawrence, Massachusetts. Look at this yardstick. I'm just about to take it out right now, so I'm going to do it on camera. This definitely is more than 3 feet of snow. Just look at the snow on the yardstick, and then just take the conclusion for yourself. Okay, so what's the plan according to what you saw on this video? So what I plan to do is I'm going to shovel out my balcony and shovel out my neighbor's balcony, so hopefully it'll make things easier for her. And by the end of this video, I will show you the after on how everything looks, because I don't want more snow here than what there is already. So I'm gonna get busy. I'm gonna start shoveling, and once I'm done, I'll meet you on the other side of the video. Meanwhile, plowers, keep plowing. You're doing such a great job in the cold. Okay, so I wasn't going to show the part during my shoveling, but I just want to show this on the video so you can just get an idea of the height of the snow on my balcony. So it just took me 2 minutes to do this. One more note that I just wanted to add into this video is that yesterday the news was saying that this blizzard is going to be similar to the one of 1978, but of course that was like 36 to 37 years ago. So anyways, just so you can see the height of the snow on my balcony right now. So I'm going to continue doing some more shoveling, and as soon as I'm completely done, then I'll show what just happened. I'm just going to show what just happened after, so you'll see how it looks like after. Okay, so right now it is 1:27 p.m. 38 minutes after I begun shooting this video, and this is how the balcony looks now. Okay, so this is how both balconies look. This is my neighbor's balcony, and this is my balcony. Of course, it is still snowing out there right now. However, since I did the shoveling on her side as well, she gave me a little reward too. And well, that's a cool thing. The snow actually went right into the rug, and of course this was the reward that she had given to me for that. So I'm pretty pleased with that, and I'll save it for those occasions when I need it. And as for the blizzard of 2015, this is how it looks like. As you can see, throughout the area, some balconies need to shovel their snow, and let me tell you, it was a challenge, but it's worth it, because as soon as the storm keeps piling up more snow, at least the pile that was here a good 40 minutes ago is no longer here. So as for the blizzard of 2015, this is 270 EHA 19 signing out and simply telling you, have a great day.